In this video, I'm going to show you how to get approved for level 2 options trading on Robinhood. So to do this, you're going to need to complete Robinhood options application and demonstrate that basic options trading is appropriate for your financial situation and experience. Now, if you're aiming to get level 2 options, then you will need to be very familiar with how options work, and you will need to have a decent amount of experience just so that Robinhood knows that you actually are someone who is reliable with it. So what you want to do in order to apply is open up Robinhood, go to the bottom menu, press on the profile picture. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see this option that says options trading. You will select on enable. You will select on continue. And then over here, it's going to ask you if you know how to enter an option spread. So you want to answer it truthfully. And then from here, it's going to give you like a questionnaire about your financial situation, including how much money you make per year, your employment status, your marital status, how many dependencies you have, your current cash and investments and stuff like that. So Robinhood evaluates factors such as your experience, your financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment objectives before approving for an options level. Let's go ahead and talk about what level 2 option actually means, because I know a lot of people get confused. So Robinhood level 2 includes basic option strategies such as long calls, long puts, covered calls, and cash secured puts. So to increase your chances the best, what I recommend that you guys have is have some stock investing experience rather than being a brand new investor. Make sure to have an account with a history of completed trades. Make sure to have financial information that indicates that you can reasonably handle the risk, and risk tolerance and investment objectives that align with options trading. And of course, an understanding of how options work. Robinhood may require or use educational material and knowledge checks as part of the process. So keep that in mind. Now, if you tried doing this and you were denied, there are multiple reasons why. So what you could do if you are in a situation where you did not get approved is to build more investing experience by trading stocks or ETFs first using Robinhood, and obviously completing any Robinhood options education resources that they may suggest. Of course, don't exaggerate or falsify your experience or financial information to obtain approval. You want to make sure you do it legitly, but Robinhood does expect you to be a well-seasoned investor in order to get level 2 options. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.